Hello and welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be about this set of brand new BBS E88s that we have. We're going to unbox them and I'm going to show you how we ceramic coat them. So before we get there, we're going to be trying one of the new air brushes. If you don't know about the dilemma with this, check our other video. It's a nightmare, so hopefully this one will do the job. And of course we're going to be cleaning them with the prep oil as usual. We will prepare the surface and then we're going to spray them. We're going to spray the backside, the bottles, which is quite deep, and all the painted surfaces. And I'm going to flip this thing around and show you something quite interesting on these brand new wheels. Something that I have never seen before. All right, so let's see what we got here. Right here are the sizes: 18s, 8.5. Let's see what they look like. Oh, beautiful. So this is something that I never seen before. Usually the head right here, the head of the bolt is on the front side, but on these wheels it's on the back side. So that looks quite different what I'm accustomed to it. So we're gonna put them on the table and we're gonna prepare them and show you how we spray them. We're back and we're done, and the BBS E88s came out stunning. Look at that. So as you saw, we sprayed them. The gold is real crispy now. It brings the shine out big time. You can see the pearls. A few interesting things is that this area here being so deep, we apply an extra coat on all of them. We suspect the water might stay in there if it rains or after washing, so we give it the extra protection. And the same with these areas here, but they came out great. We spray over the decals too, and the back side we apply a heavy coat. And on the back side we did not remove the coating like you usually do. We did on the faces, so there's no high spots or anything. Everything is leveled properly. We did the backside of the screws real nice, and they are looking superb. These are going to be show wheels, so my customer has a different type of wheels for the racetrack and for daily driving. So this BMW is going to be looking stunning. I trust that he's gonna be super happy with this outcome. This is about the 4th or 5th set of BBS wheels that I have done, and they keep coming and they keep looking better and better. So there you have it. That's the end result, and we're quite happy with the end result. Okay, so we're back and we're done with the wheels. They came out phenomenal. They look real crispy. You can see the pearls. They're protected. The customer is gonna be ecstatic for sure. So that was done with the Turbo Wax Boosted 2.0 ceramic coating right here. It's good to about 3 years. You can use it on the surfaces, calipers, carbon fiber, wrap, glass, and so on. So it's a real good product. So to maintain them, we're gonna go with the Quick Detailer Plus, this guy right here. And to clean the wheels and tires, we'll use the Turbo Wax Wheel Cleaner Deluxe that I save for all painted surfaces, matte wheels, and so on. And if you haven't seen my video about the airbrush, check that video out. It's something funny, but you know, this one worked this time. Anyways, I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for all the messages and emails, and thank you for your support. And we're gonna wrap this one up, and we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.